there were altogether 1,464 votes had gone for the polling today. Total votes were 1,528. Out of 64 were already declared as unopposed. In this, total voters were 7,96,070. Male voters 3,86,528 and female voters 4,09,541. Total voting this time has taken place 6,26,496, out of which male voters were 2,99,707 and female voters were 3,26,788. Again, this time the voters, female voters, and in South Goa we have 76.13%. Highest voting has taken place in Sattari Taluka, which is 89.30%. And in South Goa, the lowest voting percentage is 68.33 in Sarset Taluka. If we consider the village panchayat wise, the highest voting has taken place in village panchayat Navelim of Bicholim Taluka, which is 93.33%, and lowest in Sarset Taluka village panchayat Sarzona, which is 60%. Now you are aware that one of the ward in Kalangut village panchayat, that is ward number 9, is going for a fresh poll tomorrow. Already corrigendum has been issued. Is also all the notification is issued, and tomorrow from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. this election will take place. Necessary order for prohibition of sale of liquor has been issued, and as per section 40A of Panchayat Raj Act, all the voters will be having a paid holidays. By and large, entire voting and process in the entire state of Goa was peaceful. There is no untoward incident that has been recorded. So this time the election was very peaceful. In spite of the rain, for the first time I think this election has taken place in the rainy days, monsoon, full monsoon. In spite of that, we have achieved to get 78.70% in the entire state of Goa.
North Goa किती म्हटले?
North Goa it is 81.45%.
Sir, what was and South Goa sir किती?
South Goa 76.13.
Sir, what was the overall percentage in 2017 elections?
2017 it was 80%.
So you told about that lowest percentage. I think it is in Goa, right?
Sargora, village panchayat Sargora.
Goa.
You may be talking about a ward.
No,
I am talking about panchayat.
Panchayat Goa, it was 59 something.
As per this final report, what we have, Sarzora is this lowest. Okay, we check it.
What about the number of COVID patients who voted? Any data?
We have got a data mail from our ROs.
So waiting.
What information we got from the as of now on the telecommunication is nil.
We have to wait the get correct information.
Regarding that one incident that happened in Rasai, regarding that MLA Vinesh Godbari complained about voters being influenced. Do you get any complaint regarding that?
No.
So regards to blind voter, ते किती झाले? Blind voting.
Blind voters, there was a request made actually to follow in line with assembly elections. Since it was not done, we will definitely try and do it in the upcoming elections, new elections. So it requires a certain process, a certain days time to do the entire process flawlessly.
This time they have not voted.
No, they have voted because the act allows assistance
Ah, okay.
company.
सर एक गोविंद गावडेन वोटिंग केला त्या भूतान डिसेबल्डा खातीर काय हे नासले म्हणून ताणें सांगला ते काय त्रास जाताले पण काय व्हीलचेअर बीन नासली म्हणून
We have provided all the disabled. We have made the polling station disabled friendly. by providing ramp, and this arrangement will be done through the PWD.